Oh shit, accident with Aidonia.
What's up, my workers? Blessed love. And for all the new subscribers, then welcome to Kirkwork TV. Be sure to subscribe and be a part of my phone card giveaways. Sad story, dancehall recording artist Aidonia meet into his second car accident this year. Did not get much more information, more than just the footage. So when more information come out, I'm gonna definitely share it with y'all, and we will know what's going on with Aidonia. See, respect.
Oh shit, accident with Aidonia. John Star Aidonia. It's a second vehicle this. Second vehicle this star.
Big up Kirkwork TV.
The truck accident right on the Spur Hill in Jamaica. I think it's rare and never one of these kind of truck because there's a lot of alcohol. So the people that are taking some, let's watch the video.
Move on to the realize me, boy. Come on, man. Your face not in there. Your face not in there. Come on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo. See, man, you make a Mr. Royal, do. Catch your face.
No, rum talk.
We're not going back. Oh, we can't turn where we is.
Where's everybody?
Someone up here now in front of something. You want to see DJ?
Everything you dump them enough. Everything I said that you dump them to the trunk.
Oh, let me see some shot.
Man, I get already, the truck can.
Kirkwork TV.